Hi everyone, my name is Sai. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Azure AI models in your LangChain agents. For this video, I'm using LangChain framework for orchestration. I'm using Azure AI Foundry to deploy an LLM model, and I'm using Jupyter Notebook to run my agent in Python. And First, we need to create and deploy our LLM model in Azure AI Foundry, and so I'm going to head there. Um, Here you can see that I have a project space. You can create your own project space by going to create new project. And once you create a project, you can go take a look at the models available. So for example, there are several models available here. Um, for each model, there is an option for you to deploy. I have deployed a model in the past, and I'm going to use the same model today for the video. So here I have my GPT-4o model, and once you deploy this model, which is going to take a little bit of time, you need to take note of your target URI, which is your API endpoint, and then your API key, and also the deployment name that you have given your model deployment. And once you have this, you can head to uh, the script. The links for all of these, I will post them in the description. So do not worry if you're not able to follow. But once you have this OpenAI API key and the URL endpoint, you can add them to your .env file, which I have done as well. And I have called the Azure Chat OpenAI model with the following information, and then I try to invoke it with a user query. Let me run it again and see how it does. So here it's able to tell me a joke. Let's see if it can tell me a technology joke. So it looks like it can, and I will show you quickly. Um, I know we are only seeing the output that's nicely formatted, but um, so this is the payload that you get from the API call. And because we only ask it for the content, you see the formatted version of it. And so that's how you can create LangChain agents that talk to Azure AI models. Thank you.